Spain is calling. Imagine warm sunshine, delicious tapas, and vibrant culture. The allure of Spain is undeniable, with its rich history and lively traditions. This could be your life, filled with endless days of exploration and relaxation. Moving to Spain is an exciting adventure, a chance to start anew in a land of beauty and opportunity. It offers a chance to immerse yourself in a rich history, embrace a relaxed lifestyle, and discover hidden gems in every corner. And enjoy delicious food and wine. From paella to tapas, the culinary delights are endless. Whether you're drawn to the bustling cities, charming villages, or sunny coastlines, Spain's diverse landscapes cater to every preference. Spain has something for everyone, from the mountains to the sea, from the stunning architecture of Barcelona, with its unique Gaudi designs, to the Moorish palaces of Andalusia, where history comes alive in every stone. Spain is a visual feast, offering breathtaking sights at every turn. The country boasts a relaxed pace of life, where the siesta is still cherished, where people take time to savor meals, and every meal is a celebration. And enjoy the simple things, like a stroll through a local market or a quiet moment in nature. The Spanish people are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready with a smile, making it easy to feel welcome and at home. Moving to a new country can be daunting, but the rewards are immeasurable, offering a fresh start and new experiences. But the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the joy of new friendships and shared celebrations. Imagine strolling through sun-drenched plazas where every corner tells a story, enjoying evening tapas with new friends, and the vibrant nightlife that follows, and experiencing the magic of flamenco, a dance that embodies the spirit of Spain. Spain offers a chance to reinvent yourself, to explore new hobbies and passions, immerse yourself in a new culture, and participate in age-old traditions and festivals, and create memories that will last a lifetime, capturing moments of joy and discovery. Are you ready to say hola to your new life? Embrace the adventure and let Spain become your new home. Before you pack your bags and book a one-way ticket, it's crucial to understand the visa requirements for moving to Spain. The process may seem complicated, but with careful planning and preparation, you can navigate it smoothly. For stays longer than 90 days, you'll need a visa. There are various types of visas available depending on your purpose of stay. These include work visas, student visas, and residency visas. Each visa has its own set of requirements, so it's important to research thoroughly and gather all necessary documents. A pro tip is to start the visa application process early. Don't wait until the last minute. Gathering the required documents can take time, and delays are common. Once you have your visa, you're one step closer to your Spanish adventure. Spain offers a wide variety of housing options to suit every taste and budget. Whether you dream of a modern apartment in the city center, a charming villa in the countryside, or a cozy beachfront home, you're sure to find the perfect place to call home. City apartments offer the excitement of urban living with easy access to cultural attractions, restaurants, and nightlife. Countryside villas provide tranquility and stunning views, while coastal homes offer the allure of seaside living. Each region has its own unique character and charm. Before you commit to a property, it's highly recommended to visit Spain and see potential homes in person. This allows you to get a feel for the neighborhood, inspect the property thoroughly, and ensure it meets your needs. Section 4. Embracing the Spanish rhythm. Moving to a new country is not just about the logistics. It's about embracing a new culture and way of life. It's about immersing yourself in the local traditions, understanding the customs, and becoming a part of the community. Spain is known for its relaxed pace of life, late-night dinners, and vibrant social scene. The streets come alive in the evenings, with people enjoying tapas, drinks, and each other's company. Adapting to these cultural differences is key to truly feeling at home in Spain. It's about more than just learning the language. It's about understanding the nuances of daily life. Learning basic Spanish is essential for daily interactions, even if many Spaniards speak English. It helps in building connections and shows a willingness to integrate. It shows respect for the local culture and makes it easier to navigate everyday situations. Simple phrases can go a long way in making your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Embrace the Spanish custom of sobremesa, the time spent chatting and relaxing after a meal. This tradition is about savoring the moment and enjoying the company of those around you. Spaniards have a different concept of time than many other cultures. The focus is on living in the present and not rushing through life. Things may happen more slowly, and punctuality is not always strict. This relaxed approach can be refreshing and allows for a more stress-free lifestyle. Embrace the slower pace of life, be patient, and enjoy the moment. Take the time to appreciate the beauty around you and the richness of the Spanish way of life. Section 5. Mastering the Spanish routine. Once you've settled into your new Spanish home, it's time to take care of practical matters. This includes setting up essential services and getting familiar with your new surroundings. Setting up a bank account is one of the first steps you'll need to take. Additionally, obtaining a Spanish identification number known as the NIE is crucial. Navigating public transport is another key aspect of daily life in Spain. Opening a bank account is relatively straightforward. You'll need your passport, proof of address, and sometimes a non-resident certificate. The non-resident certificate can be obtained from the local police station or online. The NIE number is crucial for many transactions, including renting a property, getting a job, and paying taxes. It serves as your identification for all official matters. You can apply for it at the Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country or directly in Spain. The process can take a few weeks, so plan accordingly. Spain boasts an efficient and affordable public transport system, making it easy to get around. Cities have extensive metro, bus, and tram networks that are well connected. Intercity trains connect major cities, offering a convenient way to travel across the country. Consider getting a travel card for discounted fares, which can save you money on daily commutes. With these practicalities sorted, you're well on your way to navigating Spanish life like a local. Enjoy the vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality that Spain has to offer. Section 6. Savoring the Spanish experience. Moving to Spain is an opportunity to immerse yourself in a vibrant and enriching culture. From exploring historical landmarks to indulging in culinary delights, Spain offers endless opportunities for discovery and enjoyment. Take time to explore the architectural wonders of Antoni Gaudí in Barcelona, wander through the labyrinthine streets of Seville's historic center, or marvel at the grandeur of the Alhambra in Granada. Indulge in the Spanish tradition of tapas, small plates of delicious food meant to be shared with friends. Experience the passion and artistry of flamenco, a traditional Spanish dance form. Embracing the local culture will enrich your experience and create lasting memories. Section 7. Spain, your new beginning. Moving to Spain is more than just relocating. It's a life-changing adventure. It's a chance to embrace a new culture, broaden your horizons, and create a new home for yourself and your loved ones. While the process may seem daunting at times, the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the warmth of the Spanish people, savor the flavors of Spanish cuisine, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Spanish landscape. With an open mind and a sense of adventure, you'll find that Spain welcomes you with open arms. So take the leap, follow your dreams, and discover the magic of Spain. Your new adventure awaits.